bit about it. So this is our all-new Tech-Air 5 Plasma. If you guys are familiar with MotoGP, which obviously all of us here are, this is a technology that has been, in use and mandatory since 2017. That all the riders on track right now, whether they're MotoGP, Moto2, Moto3, have all been wearing as a mandatory part of their equipment for, the last 8-9 years. But that's not, this technology wasn't something that was developed overnight or even within that time frame. This whole technology goes back and dates back to 2001, where, the idea was to make it as safe as possible to be able to ride a motorcycle. And our riders, in fact, have been wearing this publicly in MotoGP competition since 2009, so a good 8 years before it actually became a mandatory thing. And MotoGP isn't the only, type of competition use that is required in. American Flat Track requires it, Moto America requires it, even, rally racing, FIM sanctioned rally racing requires it as well. But to talk a little bit more about this specific piece here, the Tech-Air 5 Plasma, we just launched it 2 weeks ago. And this is basically a big evolution and step forward from the original Tech-Air 5, where we were able to make it lower profile, lighter weight, just an overall slimmer profile. It's a full-on ground-up redesign of the entire system. The technology, of course, stays the same, but the materials that we use here really do a great job in just minimizing any sort of excess material bulk, and also helping make you look like you're not wearing any sort of an additional layer or anything like that. So with this, it's a full stretch, low profile chassis construction with a lot of breathability. Everywhere here is all full stretch material, and it's also 25% lighter than the original system as well. So we were able to shave an entire pound off of the system, while also kind of optimizing the airbag bladder shape, and you can really see where the bladder protects. Everywhere else is this single layer stretch fabric that offers a lot of breathability. And as far as ergonomics go, we have a deeper and wider cut on the neck, and in like the armhole kind of armpit pectoral area as well. You can see just how much higher this stretch material goes, which makes it that much more comfortable, when riding a bike, especially a sport bike, where you're kind of hunched over, and everything's kind of bunching up there on your kind of pectoral armpit area. But this also provides a ton of airflow as well. The bladder itself is also laser cut perforated. We've got a dozen holes allowing for additional airflow. Additionally, we also have 3 ride modes now. So the original Tech-Air 5 offered 2 ride modes with the race and the street algorithm, allowing you to do a variety of pretty much any type of street riding, including ADV off-road. But we also have a new off-road algorithm, which allows you to really take that ADV capability and push the envelope that much further. And to tell you a little bit about, the other thing too is it's all now fully user self-serviceable as well, and it's all full toolless design and operation. I can show you how we do that too if you like after we deploy it, but to tell you a little bit about how it works, as you can see, it's a fully integrated unit in the sense that there's no tethers connecting you to the bike, there's no physical sensors on the bike, and there's no GPS used in detecting a crash scenario. So instead, inside the back protector here, where you have the canister, the battery, the computer, there's also a series of triaxial sensors, including 3 accelerometers and 3 gyroscopes that sense in 3 dimensions across 3 axes, and they communicate and they monitor your movements and motions, and they communicate and analyze that on a millisecond level. So 1,000 times a second, it's constantly monitoring what you're doing, checking it against the algorithm. Again, we have 3 different algorithms on this one, to determine, if there's some sort of crash scenario unfolding worthy of a deployment. It's not going to deploy on every single crash or little small tip over you have, but the bigger stuff, for sure, it will. And from that, so say you're going down the road, something, goes sideways on you. From that moment of imminent crash detection to full inflation of the airbag bladder takes about 25 milliseconds on average to full inflation. And just to give you an idea of how fast that is, the average blink of an eye is only about 190 milliseconds, 190. So it's about 8 times faster than the blink of an eye. In fact, 25 milliseconds is 1/40th of a second. So you could literally have 40 of these systems deploy back to back to back to back to back to back, all within the span of 1 second. And it all goes back to the idea of deploying ahead of the first impact of the crash. Of course, that's where, that's going to be your hardest impact, and that's where you need that most protection. And in fact, Alpinestars Tech-Air is the only system or technology out there that is certified to deploy ahead of that first impact. And so when the system deploys, which you'll see here in just a second, on any area that the bladder covers, which again, you can really see the shape of it there, it reduces up to 95% of any sort of impact energy from transferring through to the rider's body. And when it deploys, it stays fully inflated at basically max operating pressure for over 5 seconds. Reason for that being is because the average length of the crash is only a few seconds. So you have basically full protection for over double that time. And then there's also a little like a pressure release valve here in the back that once it does deploy, it'll, after 5 seconds or so, it'll automatically start self-deflating very quickly. So you can, if you're racing or whatever, you can get back up and going without being puffed up or whatever the case may be. But you can, with this system, after a deployment, if you have one, hopefully you never do, of course, you can hold on to it and recharge your own canister, simply screwing it in and screwing it out up to 6 times before needing to send it into Alpinestars or a service center to get everything checked over and the bladder replaced and whatnot. And replacement canisters are only $120. And obviously speed is an awesome thing. We all probably enjoy that quite a bit, and as do all the athletes out here. But it's not the speed that gets you. It's the coming to a sudden stop. And so, with the ability to absorb or reduce or mitigate, up to 95% of that impact energy transferring through to your body, especially on like some of the most vulnerable or impact-prone areas, it's a huge thing. Like, you see these guys crash all the time, get up, walk away like it was nothing, and then get going again. So it's a really cool protection technology that we can take advantage of as regular mortals, average people, that the riders on track here today are using. So we're gonna set this thing off here. Let me just get my phone set up and connected to the vest on there. There we go. So we're gonna set this thing off here in just a second, and we're gonna do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there you go. That was 25 milliseconds, and I don't know if you can hear it, but I probably can't hear that either. But you can hear it hissing, so it's already deflating. And to change that, you can just do it yourself. It literally takes a matter of 30 seconds. You can do it at home, in the truck, in the pits, and in your living room, whatever the case may be, but it's a fully toolless operation. And also, you can also take apart the entire system as well to wash it as needed. If you're riding in the heat and you're sweating, in order to keep it feeling and smelling fresh, you can take this all apart and clean it periodically. And now you can already see, it's basically already softening up. And of course, if you're wearing this under a jacket, or any type of garment, whether it's a suit or whatever, the pressure of the suit on the outside of the jacket is going to help this deflate even faster, allowing you to get back up and going even quicker. But regardless, if you do deploy and have to keep going, you still have that back protector here, which is a Nucleon plasma. It's very flexible, it's soft, it's conforming, it's adaptive to the rider's body. But again, you can see just how slim of a profile it has. Granted, he still has air in there, but it doesn't look like you're really wearing anything other than just a standard back protector. But yeah, that is the Tech-Air 5 Plasma. We have them here available for sale this weekend. And if you have any other additional questions, feel free to stop by and ask any one of us to learn more. But yeah, thank you everybody.